Hi, I'm Paul from WFP Fire Security Electrical. When it comes to reliability, Apollo fire alarms are one of the most trusted names in the industry, and for good reason. We've been installing and maintaining Apollo systems for years, across hotels, schools and commercial buildings. They're built for longevity, designed to minimise false alarms and fully supported in the UK. At WFP, we only install Apollo systems using approved components, giving you the confidence of a 5-year parts and labour warranty when we both install and maintain your system. If your building already has Apollo equipment, we can take over the maintenance, provide software updates and make sure it remains compliant with BS 5839 Part 1. If you're planning a new installation or upgrading an older system, we'll design, install and commission it properly. No corner cutting, no unsupported kit. For expert Apollo fire alarm support, call us on 01277 622 932 or fill out the form on this page.